Hi everybody, this is an Emerson type 73668 and it was made in 1934. And what we're going to do in this video is give you a little bit of a look at this fan and give a demonstration of it as well. So without further ado, we'll go into the detail shots here and show you the sides and the back of this thing. You got the grill badge here, which is still in pretty good shape considering its age. And we'll show you the side of the fan now. And here you can see the oscillation collar here, which allows you to adjust the fan without having to pick it up. The Litz head wire, which is all original and still very, very flexible. And the adjustable oscillation mechanism. I'll show you the back of the fan now. The flip top oiler. And the motor tag. And if you look at the lower right hand corner at the little 14, it shows this fan was made in 1934. And we'll turn it around now and give you a demonstration. And we'll start off on low. Now this fan is a little bit out of balance, so it does shake a little bit. Give it a little more oscillation. Delivers a very powerful breeze though. Bring it up to medium. And high. And we got a little more oscillation for you. Side view of it running. Even on high speed, this thing is very quiet. Take out the oscillation. We'll shut it off to show you the coast down. So with that, I hope you enjoyed seeing this vintage Emerson. Of course, we will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and later.